So we're basically entering the real Botanic Garden, I guess. I can hear the rustling of leaves. Oh yeah, there's another fountain here. It's quite nice. Nice trees here. And a fountain. You can go up there. Jungle Queen. So to give you a bit of information, there's another fountain up there. So I don't know if I have time, but I will have a quick walk before the rain comes. You can see the leaves falling down. Trees here are different. You can see the colors of the trees. A bit orangey. So you can keep going up. It's quite a big park after all.